Welcome all to the coding race chatting app part 3. In this video we will learn how to set these two buttons, which is speech recognizer. So we have been set this to image for the speech recognizer. So first we have been completed our designing part 1 and we have been completed the coding for this chatting app in part 2. In this part 3 we will going to code for this to speech recognizer. So I am going to the blog section and I am going to add this image, which is image 1. Just click on this and you can see the image name, which is image 1. So go to blocks and then click on this image 1 and you can see when image 1 click this code, drag and drop it, and we have been already added this speech recognizer, which is speech recognizer 1. So go to blocks and go to the speech recognizer 1 and you can see this called speech recognizer 1 dot get text. Drag and drop it here. Next we want to go to speech recognizer 1 again and drag and drop this code after getting text. And we want to add this when after we speak, we want to get the text here and want to send that message to this list viewer. So go to blocks and you can see one thing. So first we want to get this. So which go to design. You can this is the text box 1. Okay, so text box, we want to set that message here first. So go to text box 1 and you can see text box 1 dot text 2. Drag and drop it here and just move this mouse pointer to this result and you can see two blocks, which is get result, set result 2. Drag and drop this get result. Okay, next we want to send that message. So we have been called for the send message, which is this, and we want to copy this too. We want to copy this, duplicate this and paste it here, and we want to change this text box 1 dot text not. We want to set this text box 1 dot text same, because we first we will paste the result here and it will automatically send it. So copy this, duplicate, and right click on it and duplicate and drag and drop it here down, and next we want to duplicate this, right click on it and duplicate. So drag it down and here. So this is the thing. If you want, you can change this dot to like this thing, mark, arrow mark. It will look like nice, but if we do dot, they will think that it will next send next message. So we will change this thing to represent our name. This is the code for this first send button, which is image 1, which is this. So next we want to use this, which is image 2. Image 2, what is name? To save name. When we click on this, we will see the a sound ping to represent that the speech recognizer has been started recording our audio. And after recording, it will be pasted in this text box, and we don't want to click on the save button. That time itself it will be saved in our variable. So we want, when this image 2 clicks, go to this image 2 and drag and drop in when image 2 click, and just copy this call speech recognizer 1 and just click on this arrow, change it to speech recognizer 2, and after we want to copy this text, just go to the speech recognizer 2 and drag and drop this code, which is after when speech recognizer 2 dot after getting text do. So we want to save the text, this thing. We want to copy these two things, but first we want to set the text in the text box 2, which is the name text. So text box 2, go to here, the text box 2, and where is it? Yes, text box 2 dot text. Drag and drop it here and result. Move this mouse pointer to result and get result. Drag and drop that first code and move the coding up, and you can see our save button code. Just duplicate these two codes. Duplicate the first code, right click on it and duplicate, and drag it to down and drag and drop it here, the when speech recognizer 2 dot after getting text down. And we want to copy one more thing, which is this, set horizontal 2 dot visible to false. Just do right click on it and duplicate and drag it down and drag and drop it to this code. This are the code for these two buttons. So we have been set this mic picture to use. We having set this mic.png to set here this two speech recognizer buttons. So if you want, you can select any mic buttons. So if you want to download this mic button, I will give the link in description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video. Please subscribe our channel, then only you can watch our next tutorials. Thank you.